Every 30 minutes, your body can flip a switch and do something you didn't ask for, like hiccups. You feel it first as that weird in your throat, then the sudden inhale, and the cycle starts. Here's the inside body part. Your hiccups are basically a tiny misfire of the diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe. The nerves that control it get irritated, often by eating fast, gulping air, carbonation, or even a big temperature change. So if you just had a stressful meeting, scarfed lunch, or drank a soda with ice, it makes sense your body might be trying to reset. A simple habit today is slow down for 60 seconds. Take smaller bites, drink water between them, and pause before you go back in. And tell me this, do your hiccups happen more after soda, spicy food, or when you're nervous? Follow for more. Educational, only, not medical advice.